The remedies that are recommended for you are Surya Shanti Yagya and white sapphire, emerald and blue sapphire gemstones. As per your query, you wanted to know when is your marriage time in the near future. So as per your horoscope, the most favorable yogs for your marriage is in your 26th year and your 31st year. So you keep trying for your marriage, but the best and the most favorable time as per your horoscope is the 26th year of your life and the 31st year of your life. Except these, the remedies that you should do in your life is a Surya Shanti Yagya. As per your horoscope, the coming few years of your life, the dashas and the antardashas that are coming, the time of the planetary configurations that is coming in your life in the coming few years, Surya will be a very dominant planet in your life in the coming few years, and Surya is a very negative planet as per your horoscope. So you can get some negative results in your life in the coming few years. But if you will perform a Surya Shanti Yagya, that means if you will get a remedy done for your Surya planet, then it will really help you in the coming few years, and it will really bring down the negative results of planet Surya in your life. Surya is the planet which is directly responsible for our health and also for our career. So you might face problems in your life in the coming few years related to your health and your career. So kindly get a Surya Shanti Yagya done from some authentic Vedic Pandits. Otherwise, you can also do some other remedies which are recommended in our ancient Shastras for planet Surya. That is, that you can listen to the Aditya Hriday Stotra, which is a very powerful mantra for planet Surya. If you can get up early in the morning and you can give water to planet Surya while listening to this Aditya Hriday Stotra, it will be very beneficial remedy for you. You can also chant Surya Vedic mantras, and you can, if possible, do fasting on a Sunday. Sunday is the day for planet Surya. So if we do fasting on that particular day of our particular planet, then also it protects us from the negative energies and negative results of that planet. Along with that, they can also wear a Ekmukhi Rudraksha, sir.
Yes.
You can also wear a Vanmukhi Rudraksha, which is the Rudraksha for planet Surya. So you have to do all these remedies. The most effective remedy is the Surya Shanti Yagya and Path. Otherwise, you can do the other mild remedies: Surya Vedic mantra chanting, giving water to planet Surya, listen to Aditya Hriday Stotra, and you can also wear a Vanmukhi authentic Rudraksha. Along with that, you have to energize, you have to raise the energies of the three planets in your life. Those three planets are planet Venus, planet Mercury, and planet Saturn. These three are your favorable planets in your life. These three are the supportive planets in your life. You should strengthen these planets in your life. They will really help you in your life. For strengthening planet Venus, we should wear a white sapphire in a white metal or silver metal, and we should wear the white sapphire either in the index finger or in the ring finger. Then the gemstone for planet Mercury is an emerald. It's a green colored gemstone. It is worn either in yellow gold or it can be worn in silver also. The finger for gemstone emerald is the little finger, and the gemstone for planet Saturn is a blue sapphire. So it's a blue color gemstone. It is again worn in a white metal or a silver, and the finger for wearing a blue sapphire is the middle finger. So these three gemstones you have to wear. The rituals of wearing these gemstones, the size of wearing these gemstones, the mantras that have to be chanted while wearing these gemstones, the Mahurat in which you have to start wearing these gemstones, all these explanations our customer care team can help you, can guide you. Whenever you want to do these remedies, you can kindly contact us. Thank you very much. God bless you.